Hello, so today we are here with a new chapter of passive conversion of future continuous tense. Seems little confusing, or are you clear? So let's find it out. Before we move on, let's check out the structure of passive. Would you like to try it by yourself? Okay, so here we go. We have object, then we have the form of be, followed by the verb third form, then by and subject at the end. So whenever you are converting any active into passive, as I say, I'm repeating again, you should take care of two factors. First, what does the sentence have? Does the sentence have the object immediately relating to the verb? What kind of tense does the sentence hold? So these are the two factors that you should always consider whenever you are converting an active into passive. So let's move ahead. In the first sentence, let's check out what are we having. So we are having my friend as our subject. What is the verb? We are having the verb as will be delivering, and the object, what will be my friend delivering? He'll be delivering or she will be delivering the lecture, which is my object. So now let us convert this sentence into passive. So the lecture, I have will be, and if you see that I'm already having the be form, so will I need another be form or I won't? And let us see a bit later. What is the third form of deliver? Delivered. By whom? By my friend. Tomorrow at this time. Now, what is missing in this sentence? What form of the tense is missing? Because we have converted the ing form into the third form, so yes, we are missing the ing effect of this tense. So we would need the ing form of be. So will be being delivered. Did you get this correct? Did you really? Okay, now let's try this one. So here, what are we having? We are having the judge as our subject, will be giving as our verb. What he'll be giving? He'll be giving the statement is our object. So now quickly convert this sentence into passive. So it'll be like this: the statement will be, now I'm very much sure that now you won't make any errors, will be being the third form of give, given. By whom? By the judge. After the argument. So here we go. Easy. So whenever you are having a requirement or you feel like converting the simple future active sentence into passive, this is how you can create.